or I got $154 in my PayPal balance or PayPal account to flip, right? That's what the seed money, that's the seed money that I have. If you start out with a penny on day 1, day 2, you go to 2 pennies. Day 3, you go to 4 pennies. Day 4, you go to 8 pennies. You do that for 30 days. At the end of 30 days, you'll have like $5 million, right? It gets crazy because day 27, you get like, you have like 600,000, 26, you have like 300 and some thousand, but it goes crazy, you know, by 30 days, you have 5 million. So it's a big ramp at the end. But if you start with $100 or $150 and we just double it 10 times, we have something crazy that we can really do something with. The plan is to get a Lamborghini, right? So what I did is I made some sales on eBay. Shout out to Dominique and shout out to the other person on eBay. I forgot who they are, but Dominique actually bought some Chrysler door lights, man, that I sell on meanteam.xyz. So shout out to you. But I have the seed money to start, and we're gonna just constantly flip. We're gonna flip, 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 flip. But how do I make this, what I have now, double? How do I double it? Like, how do I double it? It's not gonna be a situation that, oh yeah, you just come here and I'm gonna tell you I'm gonna drop ship, or I'm gonna get this product over here and I'm gonna sell it here on eBay. I'm gonna go to some dumpster dive in or garage. Nah, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do something cool, but you guys gonna help. I'm not just gonna do it all on my own, man. You guys gotta give me some input, you know? So I got 3 things that I wanna try. I'm not gonna tell you the 3rd thing, but the first thing is gonna be either a wallet, either some more door lights. I'm gonna make some dope ass logo, something crazy that everybody would like. It'll probably start out with all blue, you know, something crazy. I already got a design in mind, but I don't know if you guys want to see that, you know. But it's either going to be a dope ass wallet that I create. It's going to be like some crazy like carbon fiber, you know, one of those new age, you know, like the dope ass wallets, you know, like the hard wallets, the minimalist wallet or whatever, you know. It's gonna be one of those, man. But I'm gonna get like a design and a name and a website and all that. I can either go that route, I can either create some more door lights, a crazy design, or I could do some totally different. And actually, I'll let you guys decide, man. Comment down below if you guys don't like those 2 options, man. Just you guys tell me what you guys like to be number 3, man. It could be anything, man. We can sell them on Shopify, I can sell them on eBay. If you guys want me to send it to Amazon and do the Amazon FBA joint, I can do that too. But comment down below, man, how do I flip and how do I turn this $100 into $200 or this $150 into 3? Comment down below and let me know, man. I got a couple ideas, but you guys are gonna be involved. You know, it's not gonna be a situation where, you know, you get just come here and I choose and you guys just gotta watch. No, you guys gotta tell me and help me out and let me know what I do. So also, if this don't work, like if I lose all my money, man, you guys don't lose any money, man, but I'm gonna blame you guys, you know. So whoever comment down below, if I pick your idea, or, you know, if it's a group thing and, you know, multiple people do this and multiple, if I lose money, it's gonna be a situation where I'm blaming you guys, you know. But if we make money, then you guys just, you know, you get to choose and see what I get to do next. Like, because when I get to 300, I gotta flip it to 6. When I get it to 600, I gotta flip it to 1200. When I get to 1200, I gotta flip it to 2400, you know. 48.96, and then after that, man, we'll decide if we want to go something crazy, because flipping 10 racks, man, I don't know, man. That's gonna take a little bit more time, man. I might get into something a little bit more professional when I get to that point, but at least up until 10,000. So I'm gonna turn this 150, this 100, 150 or whatever, I'm gonna at least make it 10,000, man, off flips, and you guys gonna help. So be sure to comment down below, subscribe. This is day 1, you know, and I'm gonna try to do this, man, kind of quickly, you know. So I already got some ideas, so I want to run with them now, man. But I want to make sure you guys would, you know, watch it and like it. Or if you guys got some other ideas, I'm gonna give you guys 24 hours to comment down below and see, you know, if you guys got something better that I should do or something else, man, let me know. But I'm about to mail these out right now. I don't know if you guys can see, man, but I'm at the UPS store. I also got to check my damn box, actually. I can't just drop them off. But I got to drop these off, man, but I also got to get some mail, too. But, yeah, man, that's it, man. I'm going to flip this. We got $150, $100 to start, and we just going to flip. This is day 1. Be sure to like, subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see. If you guys got an idea, but just know, if it don't go right, I'm blaming you guys, man. But that's it, man. All right, peace out.